What's good, YouTube? This your boy K-Love, 762. Today we're gonna be doing a review on the Glock 29 Gen 4, 10 millimeter. I get back to y'all. All right, y'all. So we can see. I don't know if y'all can see that. The target light 10 yards out. We got the Glock 29 right here. Today we're gonna be shooting 10 millimeter auto, federal, American Eagle with 180 grain. We're gonna get started. We ain't gonna do too much stuff. Thing got a lot of kit. I ain't gonna lie. It's worse than the 20. I just missed a lot of shots. We can go back. All right. So that's first clip empty. I don't know if y'all can see the target out there. Way out there. I kind of got to lighten up on that trigger pull because I'm pulling a little too hard, but it's really my first time shooting this, so we're gonna see on the second go round on what we can hit. So we're gonna load back up right now. And this is the X grip. This is actually the Glock 20 magazine. Because I think the standard Glock 29 magazine only holds 10. So we're gonna just load back up real quick. All right, we ain't gotta get too full. It ain't filled to capacity. And just send them down. See what I can hit. I see what they say about compact Glocks. This thing really like hits a lot compared to a Glock that has like, you know, a more full size barrel. Got a lot of power to it. Like I said, it's my first time shooting it, so I kind of got to get used to it. It's always good to take your guns and go shoot them so you can have a feel for them, especially for self-defense purposes. All right, y'all, we hot. All right, that circle is pretty small down there. Say that's about, like I said earlier in the video, about 10 yards. And with this 10 millimeter, oh, trust me, this thing kicking. It's hard to hit a small circle. Come check this out. Look around. Full of velocity. It got a lot of speed in it too. And to load a mag, it's real easy. I like to press up against my body so I can slide it in there with ease. So you don't really be trying to do it, overdo it. Because sometimes it can get tough when it fill up to capacity. So we're gonna send some more shots down. Let's do it. That time, I definitely kind of got a lot of shots on target. There's a lot of them on target that time. I just feel like I gotta kind of lighten up on that trigger a little bit because most of my shots pulling to the left. So I kind of gotta ease up on that trigger. Just a little tiny bit. You want your trigger to pull to be smooth. All right, y'all, we hot. That thing definitely jumping. He gonna stand right here so y'all can see what it's looking like. So I can see how much it's jumping. Smaller pistols definitely have more recoil than the big ones. We're finna sit them down. Y'all finna be able to see how that pistol's moving. Thing definitely got some kick to it. I got a little malfunction too. A little jam. You know, that's a part of the break-in period though. That's just all a part of it. A little malfunction. Seems like a failure to feed. But for the most part, that's the first jam out of all the shots. So that's really good. I probably could have racked it out. So we're finna load up these last little bullets right here I got. We're finna go ahead and send them down range. Just gonna shoot these first and then shoot the last two. Thing hot. All right, we got these last two bullets. Send them down range. All right, y'all. So that was it for the Glock 29 Gen 4. Hey man, that thing definitely running. I don't know if y'all can see what the target looked like. And then the process. Yeah man, pistol is clear. That's it for the video. If y'all want more content like this, like, comment, subscribe. And we'll definitely catch y'all boys in the next. Peace.